Question is, let 3a, b, c are in AP and 3a minus 1, b plus 1, c plus 9 are in GP. Then the arithmetic mean of a, b, c is. See, first given that 3a, b, c are AP. So first I consider first three elements are in AP means, see what is the condition? A minus 3 equal to b minus a. So now from here we write as 2a is equal to b plus 3. Next one, a minus 1, 3 comma a minus 1, b plus 1 and c plus 9 are in GP. So that means GP condition is a2 by a1 equal to a3 by a2. So a minus 1 by 3 is equal to b plus 1 by a minus 1. So now cross multiplication, a minus 1 whole square equal to b plus 3 into b plus 1. So now here a minus 1 whole square. So from here b plus 3. So b is equal to 2 minus a, 2 minus 3. So 2 minus 3 here we substitute. So a square plus 1 minus 2a is equal to 3b plus 3. So 3 into 2a minus 3 plus 3. So from here I substitute b value, this b value. So 6a minus 9 plus 3. So 6a minus 6. So a square plus 1 minus 2a. So from this entire equation we write as a square minus 88 plus 7 equal to 0. The quadratic fractions a minus 1 into a minus 7 equal to 0. Therefore a is equal to 1 comma 7. So now if a is equal to 1, so sub in GP, the second value is 0. So not exist. Then a is equal to 7. A is equal to 7 is the final value. So now come to the a value, substituting b, a is equal to 7, b is equal to 14 minus 3, b is equal to 11. So now here I got a and b values. So now come to the c value. So from AP I consider last three elements a comma b comma c, that is 2b is equal to a plus c. So 2 into 11, 22 is equal to a 7 plus c. C is equal to 22 minus 7. So 15 is the value. So now therefore a is 7, b is 11 and c 15. See, if you observe here all are in AP only, the difference is 4. So find the arithmetic mean of, now we find arithmetic mean of ABC. So that is a plus b plus c by 3. So 7 plus 11 plus 15 by 3. So here the value is 11. So that is the final value. So the result is D is the fourth final option. 11, 7, 18, 5, 23, 33. So answer is fourth option.